Today we are making a simple recipe for vegetable samosas. Ingredients. For the dough: 2 cups all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/4 cup ghee or oil, 1/2 cup lukewarm water. For the filling: 1 cup boiled and mashed potatoes, 1 cup mixed vegetables, peas, carrots, cauliflower, onions, 1/2 cup chopped cilantro, 1/4 cup chopped green chilies, 1/2 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1/2 teaspoon coriander powder, 1/2 teaspoon garam masala. Salt to taste. 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 tablespoon ghee or oil. Instructions. Dough. Mix flour, salt, and baking powder. Add ghee or oil and mix until crumbly. Gradually add lukewarm water, kneading until smooth dough forms. Filling. Heat oil in a pan, add cumin seeds and let splutter. Add mixed vegetables. Mashed potatoes, cilantro, green chilies, coriander powder, garam masala, salt, and lemon juice. Mix well. Cook until filling is dry and fragrant. Assembly and frying. Divide dough into 8 to 10 equal pieces. Roll each piece into a thin circle 6 to 7 inches diameter. Place 1 to 2 tablespoons of filling in the center. Fold dough into a triangle or cone shape, sealing edges. Heat oil in a deep frying pan. Fry samosas until golden brown 3 to 4 minutes. Baked version. Preheat oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. Place samosas on a baking sheet. Brush with oil. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown. Tips. Use a variety of vegetables for added flavor. Adjust spice levels to taste. Freeze samosas for up to 2 months. Serve with chutney or raita yogurt sauce. Nutritional information. Per serving 1 samosa. Calories 150 to 200. Fat 8 to 10 g. Carbohydrates 20 to 25 g. Protein 2 to 3 g. Fiber 2 to 3 g. Enjoy your delicious homemade vegetable samosas. Alternate vegetables. Low-calorie vegetable options. Cucumber slices 10 calories. Carrot sticks 25 calories. Cherry tomatoes 20 calories. Bell pepper slices 45 calories. Raw spinach 20 calories. Calorie counts are approximate and may vary based on specific ingredients and portion sizes.